Hello, I'm Mimi Taylor, and welcome to Included. This is our way of keeping you informed of what God is doing here at RCC.
Tag and Emerge Ministries would like to congratulate all those celebrating a birthday in the month of December. You're indeed a precious gift to your parents and to the world. May you always walk confidently towards your dreams. We hope that your birthday is filled with fun, laughter, gifts, balloons, and lots of cake. RCC would like to say happy birthday. Restoration Community Church proudly presents A King is Born. December 15th at 10:30 a.m. 103 Commerce Parkway, Garner. New membership classes are set to begin on December 8th with follow-up classes on December 22nd and 29th. Classes will begin at 9:15 and will be held in the large conference room. Childcare and light refreshments will be provided. To register, please email info@raleigh.org or simply text CONNECT to 919-756-7933. If you have recently joined, please plan to attend and thank you. RCC welcomes you to a church who is one united, serving the community. Are you ready for a breakthrough? Well, let's bring in 2020 with RCC's Breakthrough T-shirts. Purchase your Breakthrough T-shirts today with a donation of $10 for an adult small and $12 for an adult XL, 2XL, or 5XL. And we didn't forget about the kiddies. For a donation of $7, you can get a youth size extra small and medium, and $10 for a youth size large or extra large. Quantities are limited, so grab them while supplies last. Last day to order is December 17th. Let's get ready for breakthrough in 2020. Please save the date for RCC's Winter White Party on Saturday, January 11th at 6 p.m. This is an open invitation. There will be MFFF, music, food, fun, and fellowship. And of course, be sure to dress in all white. Doors open promptly at 6 p.m. Please stay tuned for more information. RCC would like to wish all those celebrating a birthday or anniversary in the month of December a happy birthday and happy anniversary. May the joy that you have spread in the past come back to you on this day. May today and all your days be amazing, and we hope that all your birthday wishes come true. And for those celebrating an anniversary, the best love is the kind that awakens the soul, that makes you reach for more, what plants the fire in your hearts and brings peace to your mind. Congratulations on another year spent together. May your life continue to be filled with love, laughter, and happiness. Happy anniversary.
Thanks for watching. I'm Mimi Taylor. You're now included.